What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewisTrading.com, and today we're doing a quick review on GEMP, up 42% today, intraday explosive move. Now, 2 days ago in Ask a Trader, we were talking about GEMP because this was one of the video alerts that I put out to our community. What I was saying is that there was a clear area of consolidation right through here around 150 high. And we had this low right through here of about 133. So it's trending sideways in this very, very tight range for a number of sessions. And it was very, very simple the way I saw this. And the way that I saw this was we were going to have a breakout of both trendline resistance and that horizontal resistance of 150. When that 150 level was taken out, this thing was going to move. Now, our first target actually was right up through here at 191, and it clear cut that all the way to 233. So what I want to do is I'll just take you into a 5-minute chart here, and I'll show you right where this thing absolutely exploded today. So you got some pre-market activity right through here, pretty light on the volume. Price action did make an intraday high of 172, pulled back, and then was right in this area that it absolutely exploded. It took out that 191 target that we were just talking about in the other time frame, and moved higher into the close. Now, again, the J. Lewis Trading community took advantage of this because 2 days ago in Ask a Trader, not only did we talk about it, but I did a live real-time video analysis on how to get in and how to get out of this trade. And again, that's made available to our members. Now, if you're interested in joining us in Ask a Trader or getting these live real-time video alerts, there's actually a link below. You can click it, sign up, get involved, and we're sending out probably anywhere from 5 to 10 video alerts per week. Out of the list that we've sent out, we've already had 4 movers this week alone. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. My email address is actually in the description box below. Email me directly if you have any questions. If you want to get involved with Ask a Trader and get these video alerts, there again is a link below. You can click that link, go right onto our website, and get involved. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next recap.